Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that can be a bit sensitive but is super important. Libido and natural ways to enhance it. Whether you're in a relationship or flying solo, a healthy libido is key to a fulfilling life. If you've noticed a dip in your sex drive, don't worry, it's more common than you think. Life happens, and it's completely normal for your libido to fluctuate. Various factors can influence it, and understanding these can help you take control. So, what exactly is libido? It's your desire to engage in sexual activity, influenced by your genetics, mental health, and environment. Stress at work, new medications, and other life changes can affect it. Even the food you eat and the amount of sleep you get play a role. If your libido is low, there are natural methods to boost it. You don't always need to turn to medication. First up, let's talk about managing stress. Stress is a big libido killer. Techniques like getting enough sleep, deep breathing, regular exercise, and reducing alcohol and caffeine intake can help. These activities not only improve your overall health but also enhance your sexual well-being. Don't forget to celebrate your wins and accept that you can't control everything. Sometimes just letting go can make a huge difference. Try relaxation methods like yoga, meditation, and massage. These can help you unwind and reconnect with your body. Next, improving relationships can also boost libido. The closer and more emotionally bonded you are with your partner, the better your sex life. Sexual desire changes over time, especially in long-term relationships. Work on communication and try new activities together to reignite that spark. Diet plays a huge role too. No magic food can instantly raise libido, but a balanced diet can help. The Mediterranean diet, rich in whole grains, fruits, veggies, fish, and nuts, is linked to better sexual function. It's not just about what you eat, but how you eat it. On the flip side, a diet high in refined carbs and processed foods can harm sexual health. Foods like watermelon and apples can support blood flow to the pelvic area, essential for vaginal lubrication and penile erection. Dark chocolate, rich in antioxidants, can also be beneficial. It's a delicious way to boost your mood and your libido. Lastly, let's not forget the importance of quality sleep. Poor sleep can negatively impact your sex drive. Create a calming sleep environment, exercise during the day, avoid screens before bed, and maintain a consistent sleep routine. These small changes can make a big difference. So there you have it. Natural ways to boost your libido and enhance your sex life. Remember, if low libido persists, it's always a good idea to talk to your healthcare provider. They can help you identify any underlying issues and recommend appropriate treatments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on living your best life. Catch you next time. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep that libido thriving. Until next time, take care.